So excited, I finally found the coconut water that I'm looking for. The oats now, when you break them, there's just a little bit of water, but the shell, the inside white meat is this thick. I broke one yesterday and I ate it. It tastes so good. I'm gonna make a deworming treatment from it in the morning as well for everyone and for my kids as well. Look at this. This is literally, I would say, how many kg? I don't know, but there's 25 coconut in here for 55 dirham, $15. It's so cheap. As well, I got yesterday received the peely nuts. You know how addicted I am to those. And I found a freshly, one of my favorite morning snacks as well, tamar hindi. Okay, so when we crack it, it comes out like that. But the beauty about it, you can make a hole very easily. So first of all, I have to open it. Okay, it's open now. And I'm just gonna rinse it first. You see the hole here? That's what we need to get an access. So simply this, whenever you buy on anywhere, this is the coconut tools. They come like that. Coconut tools comes like this. You see, there is already an access for the straw. You just put this one here. It's very actually just twist it. Here we go. Oh, what I need to do is stick it in, and I have my coconut. Finished, there's not much actually. Now, see, cracking. I'm not sure if I'm cracking it the right way, but I'm assuming we need to crack it on the line over here. Or maybe this line next to the hole. There we go. Look how much meat we have. So simply you need a short knife like this. You crack it, you cut it, and wait. Just like that. Just so good. You know, you use this for deworming. We're gonna make a medicine tomorrow. Deworm the kids 5 in the morning. So good.
Finish?
No, not finish.
Okay.
Alright. Happy Coconut Day.